Alright, so you have a 2008 F-350 with the 6.4 diesel. It's as soon as you turn the key on, the windshield washer fluid pump just continuously runs. And then when you turn on your wipers, they only work on full. They don't park themselves. Well, I figured it out. There's relays inside of your motor. So here's the new motor. There's the old motor. Go ahead and get this out. It's a lot harder to get that out if you still have the plastic cowl in front still attached. Nice locked in. Now let's try that again. No windshield washer fluid pump running. Runs whenever you hit the button now. And well, you can't really see it, but the pump is working on intermittent. It's working on the low speed. I'm just low speed, you can hear it kick on. And that's it. There's relays built into that motor itself. I searched for 3 weeks, so I figured I'd go ahead and post this to let you guys know that it's not that hard of a fix, and it's not your computer module or your body control module. It's just some relays inside that motor that have went bad. All right, thanks.